Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue SSL certificate problem, unable to get local issuer certificate. For that, guys, you have to disable the SSL certificate. Now, try this command git config global http.ssl verify false. When you apply this, what will happen? The SSL certification issue will not come and will again ask you to log in into your Git with your credentials so that it could clone the repository. Once you have done git config SSL verification equal to false, try to clone the repository again. So now if you clone the repository, it will say, okay, security warning is there. TLS certification verification has been disabled. Okay. Now it will ask you to sign in to GitHub, sign in with your browser, sign in with the Visual Code. You can choose any one of that. I have choose sign in with the browser. Once you have signed in with the browser with your valid Git credentials, it will now clone the repository. As you can see here, it has now cloned the repository. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you liked the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.